Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقل رب زدني علما. صدق الله العظيم. My friends, inshallah, today we will learn step by step Quran learning program. About Quran learning program, I am your host Hafiz Habibur Rahman. Step by step Quran learning program session 1. Huruf Tahajji. Arabic alphabet we call Huruf Tahajji. In Arabic we call Mufradat. In English we call singular letters. First lesson, Huruf Tahajji details, test and mixed lesson. Facts about the alphabets. First of all, we will share with you the facts, and then inshallah we will learn the alphabets together. We will practice together inshallah ta'ala. Facts number 1, that there are 29 letters. Fact number 2, there are 2 short letters, Alif and Hamza. We recite them short, we don't pronounce them long. Fact number 3, there are 3 letters, we pronounce them soft, like Tha, Dhal and Gha. Tha, Dhal and Gha. Tha, Dhal and Gha. Please note that Gha has 2 qualities, soft and heavy. Soft and heavy. Fact number 4, Huruf Musta'liya, the heavy letters, because it is necessary to mention and discuss the letters, we recite them heavy. Those are 7 letters called Huruf Musta'liya. Together we call them خص وضغط قز. خص وضغط قز. خا صاد ضاد غين طاء قاف ظا. Fact number 5, there are 3 letters, we recite them sometime heavy and sometime light. Those are the letters are Alif, Ba, Alif, Lam and Ra. Alif, Lam and Ra. Alif you recite heavy when you have heavy letter before Alif. For example, Ta, Qaf, Wa. Lam, sometimes you recite heavy, sometimes you recite light. Inshallah we will learn detailed rules in the future. There are 2 types of lam, regular lam and lam Allah and lam Jalala, which is name of the lam, which is Allah's name. And the ra, we have so many rules for ra, inshallah we'll learn in future. But basic rule for ra is that if you have fatha or dhamma, you recite them heavy. Fatha example like Rabbuka, and dhamma example like Rubama. And kasra example like rijalun, light. So these are the 3 letters. Sometimes you recite heavy and sometimes you recite light. Fact number 6 is there are 2 yas in Arabic according to Ya'i Madda and Ya'i Lim. Ya'i Madda, which Ya'i you stretch, we recite longer, and Ya'i Lim, which you recite short. but sometimes you recite long when you stop on yailin, hurufilin. Last one, the fact number 7 is something to be noted. That is, we sometimes confuse with Arabic alphabets ya and Urdu ya. So there are 2 yas in Urdu, which is chotiya or badiya, small ya or big ya. But we don't have in Arabic chotiya, badiya. We have like madde, ya madda or yailin. So I thought I should explain that because I have a student, sometimes they ask question about this. So I thought it's necessary to explain. Now let us practice the alphabet. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi yassir ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين يا فتاح يا فتاح يا فتاح رب زدني علما. Now let us recite the alphabets. Alif, which is we already discussed, it is short. Alif, you have to pronounce alif. Don't pronounce like alif. Pronounce it alif, and then light letter ba, ta, tha, the soft letter. There are 3 soft letters as we discussed earlier. Tha, you gotta pronounce it soft, and then jim, jim, ha, kha, heavy letters. Dal, Dhal, soft letter. Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Sod. Sod, you have to pronounce the dal sound at the end. Sometimes students pronounce like Sod. You have to make dal sound at the end. Sod, Dod. To heavy letters, to, lo, ain, halqi letter, ghain, heavy letter, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya. So this way we have to pronounce all the letters. So if you correct your pronunciation in the beginning, in the first page, in the first lesson, then you can recite whole Quran good, inshallah ta'ala. Now quick review again about the alphabets and how you're supposed to pronounce. What are the terms we use when you recite or pronounce these letters? So there are basic 5 terms. Number 1, short letters, which are alif and hamza. Number 2, long letters, which are remaining letters after alif and hamza. Number 3, soft letter, which are tha, dal and lo. Number 4, heavy letters, which are khus wa dagh qif. If you recite them separately, you pronounce like this: kha, sad, dad, ghain, ta, qaf, dha. Number 5, light letters. Sometimes you recite heavy or sometimes you recite light. Those are the letters are alif, lam and ra. We discussed already. Hope you guys, everybody understand, and inshallah ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to recite the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with correct pronunciation, right pronunciation, then we can get the ajr and reward and sawab. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of us. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon for notification, so whenever I upload any new video, you can get it. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.